Hi everyone, it's Donnie Lowy at Closeoutexplosion.com, my wholesale business in Brooklyn. I received a new shipment of brand name designer dresses. I want to show you some of the styles that I received. They're beautiful dresses. In the warehouse, I have dresses by Calvin Klein, Anne Klein, R&M Richards, Kathy Roberts, of many different brands and many different styles. I have sizes anywhere from size 6 all the way up to size 24. I have party dresses, evening dresses, social dresses, office dresses, daytime dresses, summer dresses. I have some really nice dresses. I'm going to show you some of the dresses that I received. And you're definitely welcome to visit. I'm here Monday to Thursday, 9 to 5, Friday, 9 to 3, Saturday closed, Sunday from 11 to 4. I also sell fashion shells, which you could use to match up to the dresses. This is a nice two-piece dress, size 10, 10 petite.